Alright, so you've just purchased your Clix wipers. Now it's time to put them on your car. First things first, let's get these old wipers off. This is a hook arm. A lot of the times the arm stands right up. If it does that, pick it right up off the car. You're going to turn the wiper up to a T, and a lot of the times there's a button underneath on the adapter. You're going to want to press down on that and just push down on the arm to bring it to a T and slide it right off. So now that the wiper is off the car, let's put on your Clix wipers. First things first, let's make sure to remove the protective covering off the wiping element. Alright. Next, we'll install the adapter to the wiper blade. We'll want to make sure that the spoiler part and the scoop here is facing down and away from the vehicle towards the direction you're driving. This will create some downforce and help performance during operation. Alright, so we grab the adapter. There'll be a little arrow in the U channel. Just snap it right on there. Alright? From there, we're going to take there's two little buttons on the top of the adapter. Press down on those and flip the hood forward. Okay. Now we are going to just slide the arm in. The hook's right on. Close the hood. Press it down gently. Clix wipers are ready to go.